How to fix Instagram story lag on easy fast way. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix lag on your stories, just go to the settings on your phone, go to apps, and then right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do is click on the search bar and search for Instagram like this. Click on it and it will take you here. Now all what you have to do is click on the storage option and click on clear data and then clear cache. Go back and then click on this power users details and make sure that it's enabled as you can see right here, and then go back, click on force stop, and now congratulations, just open Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.